This is Cave Creek, and there's a couple of motorcycles there. This is on a Thursday. There's 2 motorcycles. I'll just show you around. We're going up the main street. Somebody asked me for the motorcycle rally in Cave Creek. And there's some tents over there with some stuff. This is out the windshield of the car. Corvette. Here's a whole pickup here. There's 4 motorcycles there. And see how they got the road blocked off on the side? A lot of motorcycles there the other night when we were down here, but there isn't any now. Here's a new building they're building right here. Now here we go. Here's the motorcycles all lined up along the street. Yeah. There you go. Just like Sturgis, only less. Both sides of the street now. We're in the main part of town. Look at the motorcycles. Take your pick. Yeah, this is where the headquarters is for it. I'll try and keep the camera up so you can see it. Now there's one of the places with all kinds of tents. There's police here. Sheriff's unit. A lot of motorcycles. This is for all you motorcycle lovers. Eric at Nomadic Fanatic was going to come here, but his Harley Davidson's broke down. It's given him a bunch of codes and it won't start. So at least he'll get to see this if he watches it. Look at that fancy one. A lot of money. Take the other side of the street. They're all the way up the hill there. Look at that. Well, this worked out good today. You people wanted motorcycles in Cave Creek, you're getting it. We're just about to the end of it now. Now we have to go with the traffic. Not anymore. Alright, I'm going to cut this video off. I want to thank you for watching this YouTube video with us. A nice pickup, nice color. Yep, we're out of the edge of the town now. And this is Cave Creek, north of Phoenix, Arizona. And maybe I'll just keep it on. We're going to bang a U-turn right here. Yeah. Okay, we'll go back through it again, going the other way. I always put the camera down too low and get the dashboard, I know. There's a motorcycle in front of us, 2 people on it. Yeah. I'll keep this video under 10 minutes. Yeah, we got a traffic jam now, so I might cut it off. Okay, this is looking west. But you can see. Yeah, that's the downtown area down there where they were all lined up. put this up tomorrow, which will be Friday. Look at the motorcycles. And next weekend I will be back to Chapala, Mexico. But I'll put some Chapala videos up between now and then because I've got a lot. They got a sign here that tells you how fast you're going. Well, you're not speeding because it says 30. Yeah. Very nice. A lot of different kinds of motorcycles, not only Harleys. Okay, I'm going to make this just a little bit longer here because this is where the headquarters is, I think, because there's all kinds of tents in this lot. And we're still moving. Some of them leave their helmets out on their motorcycles. Yeah, there they are. And I can't see the license plates on any of them because they're all with the backs away from me. There's a three-wheeler there we just went by. It was brown. Here's some of the tents in here. A lot of big bikes. That's must be the headquarters right in there for it. They're too deep right here. Yeah. Sheriff's unit here. He's directing traffic. Yeah. Another chrome right there. Look at that one. Wow. Three-wheeler. Yeah, shops are doing good. They can get pizza there. It's kind of chilly out, so they got to wear their jackets. All kinds of places in there selling shirts and jackets and all kinds of things. Around the corner and it's just solid motorcycles. There's an old Chevrolet car from the 50s. Looked like a 55 or 56. 55. Right?
55.
55. I'm with my son. He knows all kinds of cars. Another sheriff's unit, and this is just about the end of them now. Another place where they're hanging out in there. There's a lot of motorcycles. Oh yeah, there's vendors all in there. And this is the end of it. Okay, thank you very much for watching this YouTube video. Please let your friends know what I'm showing and that I'm in the United States and they can see a United States video. I said I would probably make a United States video when I was here. Thank you.